Alright, the 3D printed Rockgar is almost done. It's like Gengar, but the Rock Johnson. 3D printed Gengar Rock and Johnson. And it's done! Would you look at that? Alright, let's get this big guy off the plate here. Alright, we got the 3D printed Rockgar. He's the Rock Johnson, but he's a Gengar. That's a pretty goofy little guy. I mean, there's nothing little about him though. So yeah, like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and we'll see what kind of wacky stuff I print next time.